Hey Sunny Crew, I'm Sam Candler and I am going to lead you through a 5-minute core focused Tabata workout. This is all part of our brand new bite-sized workout series where just in 5 minutes you get a warm-up, a workout, a cool down, and we're out the door. So you're gonna join me here on the ground and all you'll need is a mat and 1 dumbbell of moderate weight. So I'm gonna get us warmed up, I'll show you the exercises we need to know, and then we'll get moving. So join me here in a bit of a plank-like position, but don't worry, for the rest of this, after our warm-up, we get to lay down on our backs. But here I want you in a kneeling plank. We're gonna pull your shoulder blades down your back. We're gonna lift your belly button to your spine. And then if you feel like you've got it in you, you're gonna lift those knees up, hold for a moment, and bring them right back down. So we're gonna do that while you keep an eye on me. Keep moving there, and I'm gonna show you the only exercises you need to know today. We're gonna start on our backs, alternating leg lowers. Lower back stays flat to the ground. We lower one leg, we exhale, we bring it up, we lower the other. We alternate all the way through. Then we're into pullovers. We're gonna hold a dumbbell across your body like this. So we've got one hand on each end. Keeping your arms relatively straight, we're gonna pull our arms back and then right overhead. The key thing here for all of these is the lower back stays right on the ground. So you ready to start? Alternating leg lowers, let's go. So with these, you may feel like you can't bring your legs down very far without your lower back coming up. That's a great thing to feel because now you're getting to know your body and you're gonna get stronger in your movement. I only want you to lower your leg as far as you can, keeping that lower back flush to the ground. All right, that was our first 20 seconds. We know a Tabata workout is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, so we get our dumbbell. We're ready, let's go. Pull over, same thing, lower back stays flush to the ground here. If we have an arch like this, we didn't do our job. Here we keep our lower back flat. As we exhale, we're using our upper abs to bring our arms right back overhead. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, and then here's a little secret. If you don't wanna keep picking up your weight and putting it back down, you can hold it like this, stick your elbows on the ground, and now it's pretty well rested for these leg lowers. I'm gonna start left leg, hand up. Now whether you point or flex your feet is up to you. I recommend you try them both, but you know the name of the game here. We keep those abs tight. We have no arch whatsoever in our spine. That's it, 3, 2, 1. Get ready for those pullovers. So these Tabata workouts, they move fast, right? But we're getting our money's worth. We're working really hard for a very short amount of time. Let's go, pullovers. So on a pullover, you may feel your lats, which are those kind of like angel wing muscles on the sides of your back. You may feel your triceps on the back of your arms, but hopefully if you really focus on it, you can feel those upper abs that are doing so much work to pull your arms back overhead. All right, we rest. We're halfway through. Ready? 5 seconds back to those leg lowers. 3, 2, 1. This time I'm gonna try more of a pointed toe variation here. Now, if these straight leg lowers are just not happening, you can always bend your knees, right? This looks exactly the same. Don't worry about touching your heel to the ground. Worry about, you know it, keeping your back flat. 3, 2, 1. Good. All right. Back to our pullovers. When I talk about our upper abs, I'm talking about this part right here above our belly button. Let's see if we can get that fired up. Good. So our leg lowers, they predominantly work our lower abs. And then by putting in the pullovers, we're working our upper abs, thereby working that whole rectus abdominal muscle. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Guess what? One more round. I'm gonna give you an option to make it spicy. You're gonna bring those arms up and you're gonna hold them there. Let's go. Exhale up, inhale down, exhale up. That's it. There's no points for speed on this exercise. All the points for control. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Final set of pullovers, and I'm just gonna challenge myself by holding these arms overhead just a little longer. Ready? Final 20 seconds starts now. Breathing is very important here. Inhale on the way back. Exhale as you bring those arms up. That's it, we're almost done. You got this. 8 seconds to go and we will have worked that entire front of our core. 3, 2, 1, that's it. We'll carefully put your weight down by your side and we are going to stretch with an upward dog. That's where we're on the ground. We're gonna lift up and feel length all the way through the front side of your abs. Woo! Thank you so much for joining this bite-sized core workout. 5 minutes in and out. If you are hungry for more, I recommend you cue us up. You can work your glutes, you can work your upper body, and everything in between. I'll see you then.